Hello students, today we'll be starting English chapter 2, A Hypnosis, the Swiss Robinson family. The word hypnosis means summary. So here you have a briefing of a novel. तो नॉवल अपने आप में बहुत ही बड़ा होता है, उसमें बहुत ही डिटेल्ड स्टडी होती है पूरी स्टोरी की. Now this part what we have got as a chapter is a shorter version of that novel. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years ago. तो ये नॉवल जो है एटलीस्ट 200 साल पहले लिखा गया था और many people across many countries enjoy reading this because it is a very interesting story. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. ग्राफिक यानी कि पिक्चर इस नॉवल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं इसको, एंड फिल्म्स ऑल्सो हैव बीन मेड ऑन दिस स्टोरी. Now the novel is written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David Weiss. It is not just an adventure. Okay, the novel which was written by Johann was not just an adventure. It teaches you many other things also. It aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, खुद पर कैसे डिपेंडेंट होना है, डिटर्मिनेशन व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, हाउ यू हैव टू बी डिटरमाइंड फॉर दैट, देन लव फॉर योर फैमिली, कोऑपरेशन, हाउ टू वर्क टुगेदर, एंड प्रूडेंट यूज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. whatever things you have with you, how to use them wisely. Prudent means wisely. So it also has good lessons relevant in natural sciences, good husbandry and even mathematics. तो इसमें हम we even get to study natural sciences. Okay, relevant यानी closely connected to natural sciences. Then good husbandry यानी कि एनिमल रेयरिंग वगैरह, एंड इवन मैथमेटिक्स का भी इसमें बहुत यूज़ हुआ है. दैट विल कम टू नो हाउ. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent. Now अभी इसमें कुछ some elements यानी कि some things or some events are such that reality को थोड़ा खींच लेते हैं. That means it does not seem close to reality, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction. So that is why we should consider it a work of fiction, यानी कि it is not real, it is just a imaginary story and not a fact file. तो एक स्टोरी क्रिएटेड है, इट इज़ नॉट अ फैक्ट फाइल. तो सम एलिमेंट्स may go beyond reality also. So given below is a synopsis and outline of its basic story. So as I told you, a novel is generally a very big book. So here we have just an outline, a summary of the given novel. William, Elizabeth and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. The other passengers evacuated. Evacuated means left without them. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, were left to survive alone. Now, before we go ahead, first understand the main characters, William and Elizabeth and their children. The main characters, the couple was William and Elizabeth. Then when the ship had been caught into the storm, the other passengers left, and only William and his family, that is William, Elizabeth and the 4 children which they had, young children they were, Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, they were left alone to survive. Now what happened? They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. Waiting in the ship's hold यानी कि waiting in the ship only, they were waiting for the storm to calm down. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within the sight of a tropical desert island. तो अभी क्या हुआ, शिप जो है रात भर it survived the night. It did not because of the storm it did not break, or they did not drown in the sea. So in the morning they saw themselves on a tropical desert island. The next morning they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. अभी reef क्या है? Rocks and sand. तो reef के behind they could see the island. So they thought of going to that island. They could see the island from a distance, so they thought of going to that island. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. Now, vessel means a boat or a ship-like thing. So, with the help of the tubs which were there in the ship, they constructed a vessel. एक boat जैसा उन्होंने बनाया, and they left for the island. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition, food of course ship था, बहुत सारे लोग थे तो वहाँ पे फूड भी अवेलेबल था, तो उन्होंने जो अपना वेसल बनाया था टब से उसमें उन्होंने they gathered some food. Ammunition is the bullets, shells, whatever हथियार जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं वो, and all other articles of value they could safely carry. So और जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें उन्हें मिली वो उन्होंने अपने साथ कैरी की. दे रोड टूवर्ड द आइलैंड. रोड यानी कि विद द दे रोड टूवर्ड्स द आइलैंड यानी कि जो चप्पू चला कर दे took their lead towards the island. Two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. So there were two dogs also which were in the ship. They also accompanied them. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books, a disassembled pinnace. Pinnace is a small pinnace here is a small boat and provisions had all survived. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो थी वो सारे शिप में बचे हुए थे which they took along with them for their further use. Now here livestock means farm animals, gun, powder, carpentry tools, pinnace I already told you. So all these they took along with them. Now further we see over the next few days William, who was the father, attached the floatable old kegs यानी जो drums tubs थे, to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass. आर्मलोड्स यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रास लेके उन्होंने जो है फ्लोर को सॉफ्ट बनाया. They cut and spread to serve as their beds. तो these grass were used as beds. They came to a grove of trees. Grove यानी कि बहुत सारे trees. Okay, where we find lot of trees together, we call it as a grove. So one tree grew which looked like gourds. Of course, gourd is a vegetable, So one of the trees, a vegetable grew on that which looked like a gourd, a fleshy large fruit with hard skin. Gourd grew on the trunk. The father told Fritz the gourds would make excellent bowls and spoons. अब ये जो gourd है round थे, big थे, तो they could be easily used to make bowls and spoons and they can cut them into various utensils और इनको दूसरे utensils के shape में cut करके they can use it as well.